This year, we've been blessed with an incredible crop of fresh peaches. What makes them so good is what peach farmers call beauty rest. That's when the temperature in the orchard is below 40 degrees for a period of time in the winter, and then it's followed by a hot summer. Starting now and for the next 6 weeks or so, we'll want to enjoy these beauties every way we can. So let me share a southern peach pound cake that's to die for. We begin by creaming butter and sugar till it's fluffy. Then we add some eggs and a splash of vanilla. After that comes together, we slowly mix in our dry ingredients. You know, flour, baking soda, and salt. Now for the part that makes this cake so special. We beat in some sour cream. And once it's smooth, we'll fold in 4 or 5 peaches that we've peeled and chopped. This will go into a Bundt pan and we'll bake it off until it passes the toothpick test. Once it cools, we sprinkle it with some powdered sugar and it's ready to serve. The combo of the buttery rich cake teamed with the fresh peaches is almost mind-blowing. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our peach pound cake as a way to enjoy one of nature's perfect fruits. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a peachy keen kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.